If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die, said Warren Buffett. This famous quote has inspired many people to look for ways to hack the system and spend the rest of their days doing absolutely nothing, while the money just keeps flowing in. Unbelievable, isn't it? That, my friends, is most people's definition of passive income. Although the real definition is different. It goes, passive income is earnings derived from an enterprise in which the person is not involved on a day-to-day basis. Even this definition sounds perfect, doesn't it? In a world where millennials are running the ultimate rat race to reach the top and go on to the extent of considering themselves as failures in case they don't make $1 million by the age of 30, no wonder the term passive income has become a buzzword for the new wannabe millionaire. To add more to it, it is the epidemic of the online fake gurus, each promising the same thing packaged differently, the dreaded $10 course. But how passive is passive income in reality? We answer the burning question in the next few minutes. But before we continue, I would request you to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell icon as well while you're at it to never miss an update again. Let's begin. As I said, what gives passive income its bad rap is the get-rich-quick schemes that have flooded the internet, each promising their course to be the ultimate success guide. Now there are several massive red flags. The clickbaity headlines, complete lack of transparency, and most importantly, the promise of unbelievable returns with hardly any effort. Basically, buy the course and get rich. That's simple, huh? The process usually starts with a free webinar or ebook with the title like How I Made My First $1 Million in 6 Months. Author keeps promising to reveal their ultimate secret by the end of the video, but stop just before the great tell-all, making it the ultimate tease. To know the best part, you'll have to pull out your credit card, put the magic numbers in, and then to the surprise of most people, it is usually generic nonsense packaged as the great success mantra, something one can obtain free from the internet. Shall one decide to dedicate some time and effort? All this has essentially made passive income one of the biggest lies in the 21st century. Here are the 5 biggest myths about passive income that need to be burst now before any of you lose any more money on one of those get-rich courses. Myth number 1. You can run everything on autopilot. This is perhaps the single biggest myth about passive income. Set the systems and relax. Money will keep flowing in. Just like the goose laying the golden egg dies if you don't feed it, similar is the case with your passive income engine. A simple example would be, well, this YouTube channel itself. In the future, the channel may get monetized and all these videos that are essentially digital assets will bring me the money passively. But all that depends on my consistent efforts to engage the audience with meaningful and valuable content. In the absence of that, the cash flow engine eventually runs out of fuel. If you aren't doing your part to stay on top of industry changes, customer expectations, and other responsibilities you'd find in any active business, your passive income will quickly dry up. Even if you delegate responsibilities, you'll need to check in with your team to make sure tasks are being performed up to your standards. You'll also probably need to continually fine-tune the idea to help it stay relevant. Essentially, passive income still requires an active presence. Myth number 2. You can start and succeed in no time. Now, most people do not want to go through the struggles of understanding the economy, especially for financial reasons like taxation and short and long-term debt cycle when it comes to passive income. Don't worry, if you are one of those people, you can find out about all of that on this channel. Just follow the playlist. People just want to get rich quickly. Perfect for a con artist who knows how to sell you $1 million dream. The reality is, each and every passive income idea needs a lot of time and effort to learn. From online businesses like blogging or starting a YouTube channel, to real estate to writing books or any innovation that you intend to earn royalty from will need time and effort to learn and perfect. Needless to say, you probably won't be able to do all that in a single weekend. Be willing to take time to learn the specific opportunities and challenges related to your idea and put in the effort to get it right. This isn't a race. Quality will win over speed every time. Myth number 3. One income source will be enough. If you are going to go down the passive income route, you might as well consider multiple income sources. As the old saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now, you can do it by literally dipping your fingers in a lot of pies, that is, by starting multiple income streams. Or you can monetize one major business by using multiple methods. The first example would be Robert Kiyosaki, someone I read extensively these days. His method involves having multiple income streams, from real estate, books, strategic investment, and many more. Another example could be any famous YouTuber who has multiple income streams in one business, so they have the AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, merchandising, and so on. Myth number 4. You need large starting capital. This is one myth that has to be busted. Many people don't even begin their passive income generating journeys as they fear a lack of capital, specifically financial capital. Nothing could be further from the truth. Now, in some cases, you may need some capital, or at least a good credit score. For example, if you're seeking a loan from the bank. But in a lot of other scenarios, that is most definitely not the case. See, passive income has to come from some asset, correct? So, if you can build assets without much capital, like digital assets, you can start your business with very little money, which over time will start to put money in your pocket. As your business grows and gains more traction, you build trust with your audiences. Now don't get it twisted. If you have money, that is always an advantage. You can hire a team or consult an expert and so on. But in case you don't have much money, be happy that you have the heart of a warrior. That will go a long way. Myth number 5. You don't need active income. Every single person who has a successful passive income system will attest to the fact that it took a lot of time and effort to build the income engine. No one will just pay you because you have a website or a YouTube channel. You have to earn it. Constant work, dedication, strategizing, re-strategizing, failures, then some more failures, and then perhaps a little bit of success. That is the story of every successful passive income creator. Money alone does not build a passive income generating asset. You have to have the skills to utilize that money to your advantage. So guys, these were the top 5 passive income related myths that I felt had to be busted. Let me know in the comments what are some of the myths that you may have come across in your journey. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourselves and your families. God bless us all. Thank you.